Hi guys! This is Zell,
And I'm Mali.
your travel savvy partner
Nasanay sa lahat ng hamon ng biyahe.
from planning to landing.
Gusto lang namin i-share yung experience namin sa Aitatowa, both the B2B and then the GMM. Very late na kasi after nung event na yon, we only have less than 2 days para mag-fly dito sa Sapporo.
Ngayon lang kami nakapag-intro.
First video namin to ever. So, yung sa next video, papakita namin yung naging experience namin. Ano ba yung Aitatowa? Ano ba yung B2B GMM na sinasabi ni Ali? So, ayan. Tutukan yan.
Nagbukas ka ng mata ko, mukha pa ni Alice yung nakita ko na.
Kailan kaya nag-ganun?
My name is Francis. We're a tour operator in Vietnam. So Mr. Ken is from Vietnam.
We are a dairy company. We provide service inbound in Korea. We can provide service Wi-Fi. It's all private. So I have everything here. Viber, WhatsApp, Line.
So we're offering the contact process and labels. So far pwede po yung promo natin for this decision. So if ever may interest kayo from the client, mas mabilis po yung signature.
Kasi yung mga SIM cards po natin, wala siyang call and text po. Pwede naman po. So purely data lang.
Dati 10 followers ka lang. Nagpe-prepare kami ngayon for the GMM ng Aitatowa. So, naka-check-in kami dito, tapat kami ng Okada para dun sa B2B and dun sa GMM ng Aitatowa kasi since new members kami. Medyo kinakabahan kasi syempre first time namin. So, kailangan natin magbihis. Ang theme natin is royal, so mga queens and kings, mga ganon. So, later ulit.
So papunta tayo ngayon sa Aitatowa GMM. Mamaya, tatawagin yung AWOL Travel and Tours, mag-oath taking as new member of Aitatowa. Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Aitatowa GMM. So kanina nasa B2B tayo, nakipag-meeting tayo sa mga other travel agencies and tour operators. And now, nandito tayo sa GMM para sa mga new members, oath taking.
Ang Aitatowa pala guys is Independent Travel Agencies and Tour Operators Association. So mga travel agency owners din ang mga kasama natin tonight.
Nandito lahat ng members na travel agencies and mga tour operators. Meron tayong partners sa Vietnam, may mga partners sa
All over the
Thailand.
world. And ang theme natin ngayon is royal. So makikita na naman na very king and queeny ang ating atake. So, di ko na patatagalin. Halika na, late na tayo.
To officially present this, may we call on Ms. Bernadette Timpongo, Assistant Secretary General of the Board and Trustees and Head of our membership.
First, Golden Spring Travel and Tours. Chris Ren Travel and Tours. Travel Destination. And last but not the least, AWOL Travel and Tours.
hereby pledge to uphold. I commit to promoting responsible and sustainable travel practices. I accept the responsibilities of membership with pride, with joy and patience. Let us give a warm of applause to our new members. AWOL, Travel and Tours. King of the night, no other than the one wearing the gold and white. Ayan, ayan. Okay, so the queen, one queen of the night, no other than his partner, the queen. Congratulations! And to all our chosen Queen of the Night. Ayan.
Hey guys! Nakauwi na kami from the GMM ng Aita TOA.
Yun yung oath-taking ng mga new members, oath-taking ng mga new board of trustees, and then the event itself.
Nakilala din namin yung owner ng Aita TOA.
Nakilala natin yung mga other tour operators around the world. So, how do we prepare for this event? Nung nalaman namin na may GMM si Aita TOA, and then nalaman namin yung theme, yung oras, lahat, pumunta agad kami sa kung saan kami pwedeng kumuha ng pang-royals na damit. And then nung nakita ko yung damit kay Ali, sabi ko, ito na yun, this is it, ito yun talaga. And nung sabi na sa akin naman daw, sabi ko, anong pwede for royals na partner niya. So, yun yung binigay sa akin. First time in my life na hindi ako pumili ng iba. Nung nakita ko yung kay Ali and sa akin, yun na yun talaga. So, papakita namin yung damit na napili namin dito. So,
very unexpected doon. Una, nanalo ako sa raffle, syempre. Swerte tayo dyan. Also, nanalo tayo ng Queen of the Night. Syempre, ang ganda ng dress, ang ganda ng makeup, and all. And also, meron kaming video with other travel agencies. And sumayaw kami ng Open Light. This is it. Papakita kayo sa inyo.
Part of Aita TOA already, gagrab natin lahat ng offers nila. So, ang offer ng Aita TOA ngayon is meron silang mga fam tour sa Vietnam and other countries. So, samahan natin yan lahat. Kuha tayo ng ideas kung paano gagawa ng magagandang packages. Kuha tayo ng ideas sa rates ng mga travel partners. And para makagawa tayo ng package para sa other countries. So, meron tayong Maldives, Dubai, and more on Vietnam ang ilalabas natin this 2026.
Looking forward tayo ngayon sa maraming packages na nagawa namin with the other tour operators and syempre discounted rates for you guys.
Tingin na nga guys ang ating video for the Aita TOA B2B and the GMM.
At kami pa rin to, si Zel.
And I'm Mally.
Laging tatandaan, travel isn't about going places.
About knowing how to get there right.
Thanks for watching!
Bye!